Welcome to Vitamin Maths. So here we are solving the second part, continued part of mathematical quiz. Okay, so we have the following question here. We have to find the number which is written in the question mark. Okay, so we have to find that number. So let's begin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first I will add 4 plus 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. In the similar way, 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 7 is 6 plus 7 is 13. 4 plus 4 plus 9 is 13 plus this is 17. So one thing what I can observe here is I am getting all the prime numbers here. So I am getting all the prime numbers here. Okay, let us see here what we will get. 12 plus 21 plus 28. Okay, 28. So 12, 21 is 33, 33, 28 is 61. Okay, 61. Next we have 21 plus 12 plus 34. So this is 67. Okay, now very carefully you have to see that we are also getting a prime number. Okay, we are also getting a prime numbers here. Now the thing is we have to be very careful here that something, so that we have to get a prime number here. So we have to get a prime number. So after 67, if you take after 67, the next prime number or what you can think is 69. 69 is never a prime number because it will go in 3 tables. So after that the prime number is 71. So what we have to think here is the prime number which I am talking here is about the 71. Okay, this is 71 here. So what will happen now if it is 71 here, then what will happen? So let me take this as x. So 71 minus 17 plus 14 is 31. So my x will be equal to 40. So my answer is 40 here. Okay, let's find the missing number in the second question here. So what I'm going to do here is, in this question I am going to add these both numbers and I will do some divisions so that I may get this middle term. I will try in that way. So 77 plus 163 is equal to, this is 240. So 240 divided by 2, so this will give me 120. So this will give me 120. So that is the middle term. Okay, this logic worked out. And in the same line, if I try for 97 plus 92, that will give me 180. 92 plus 87, sorry, 92 plus 87 here, that will give me 184. That will give me 184. So 184 divided by 2, so that will give me 92. So this logic worked out. So now I am going to directly apply this logic to this box. Okay, this row of boxes. Now what I will do, 81 plus 63, so this is 144. So now divide by 2, so that will give me 72. So I think it's not visible here, sorry. So that will give me 72 here. So the answer here is 72. Okay, let's solve the third question here. So in this question what you are going to see is the numbers are going on increasing here. You are having single digits here, it is becoming double and triple digits here. Okay, so on that lines let's solve this question. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm just feeling like 3 plus 5 plus 7 is giving me 15. So this 15 I'm just finding here, it is written as 51. 15 is written as 51, means the digits are interchanged. Okay, so let's see whether this works out here. So 67, 71 and 73. So this is 11 here. 7 3 is a 21. Sorry, 7 3 is a 21 here. So this is written as 1 to 1. This is again written as 1 to 1. Okay, now let's check whether it works out here. 331, 337 and 347. So 7 plus 1 14 plus 1 15. So 8 plus 3 is 11 here. Okay, now we have 11 here. Now this is 9 and 10. So 1015. So this is coming me around 1015. So the last digit here is, we are already having 101 already, we are having here. We are having 101 already here. Only thing we are not having is 5. So our answer is 5. So the question mark is replaced by 5 because already we are having 101 here. So similarly here also we are already having 21 here. We already have 21 here. Only one we should replace. Okay, this only one we have to replace here. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, let's find some more examples. Oh, now we have a very interesting question here. So this is a puzzle. Okay, here what you will find here, you're all finding the numbers here and some alphabets A, B, C and D have been written. So we have to find the numbers A, B, C and D. Okay, before solving this I will give you a small hint. If you can find the answer with that hint, then also you will be very smart. Okay, or else I will make you smarter, don't worry. Okay, now see, there are some set of numbers. Hint number 1, that is there are some set of numbers that have been repeating after every interval. So you just see where they are repeating here. Okay, so now I will solve. Okay, so the numbers that are repeating, just see here my dear friends, just mark here 3. Let me write here 35793. So this combination of digits are repeating. See, 35793. Stop. So this is the origin. Let me write this origin and this is the stop here. Start and stop. Afterwards again just see here. Again 35793. Again the origin is here. Stop. Now again 35793. Yes, now we followed that the A value should be 3. Okay, now again this should start with 3 because it is again starting with this 3 digit here. So let me write, so this is my indication. Okay, don't confuse. 35793. Stop here. Again it will start with again 0 here, that is this is start. So this value also should start with 3 only. Okay, so now 1 minute. So this will start 3, this will be 5 because 35793. After 3 my 5 will come. Okay, 5793. Okay, again start here 35793. Stop. 35793. Okay, so you may ask me that this number has left out. No, again it is not left out. Since still some more digits will come further, but I have not written them. So this is the question. Okay, this is one of the very not tricky question. It will just check your analytical skills. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this question. Okay, let's move further. Okay, please note here that sometimes the numbers, the options given are also being twisted. Okay, so they will give different combinations. So what is my A is 3, B is 5 and C is 3 and D is again 3. Okay, so this combination, if you get in an option, then go for it. Okay, you should be very careful here because many people will find the answers here and they will do some mistakes. They will write as 3350. All combination of wrong choices will be calculated and then put as an option. Okay, so you should be very careful. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let's solve the 5th question here. So this question was asked in placement drive for Infosys 2021. Okay, so to begin with, so let's start here. What I'm going to do here is 96 divided by 16, that is 16 ones are 16 6 are 96, so this is 6. So if you multiply 6 by 2, then we get 12 here. So the logic here is divide the first number by second number, and whatever answer you are getting, you should multiply it by 2. Okay, so let's check this logic whether it works out for this third row. So 104 divided by 4 is 4 ones are 4, 26 are, so this is 26 into 2, that is 52. Yes, the logic is working out perfectly. Okay, now we will find the answer in this row here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is 72, I should divide it by something to get something. Into 2 I'm getting 6. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'll take this 2 down here. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So what I'm going to do here is 72 is equal to 3 into so we are getting to 3, so 3 into x, something we are getting as 3 into x here. So 72 divided by 3 is equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 1 3 fours are 12. So the x value is 12 here. So the x for this cross x is equal to 24. So I hope you got this answer. So the answer here is 24. So in this way you can program your mind. Okay, I don't say that you become master by solving all these examples, but your mind will get programmed, or it will start thinking in the different ways, or the possibilities. That is what we want. So in this question we should find the number in the place of x. Okay, so this is one of the most easiest question that was asked in the recent drives of placement Infosys. Okay, so this question I think everyone will answer this, because after solving such a different varieties of examples in my first and second video, you will answer it instantly. Okay, so this is nothing but 11 square, that is 121, and 12 square is 144. So obviously 13 square it is 169. So this place is 9 here. So this is 14 square, that is 196. Okay, so the answer here is 9. So in this way your mind will get programmed by solving many examples, and you will be able to crack the puzzle. Okay, thank you. So here is that question. Okay, you should work this example yourself to measure your level of understanding whatever I have taught, because this question will be applied on the basis of what I have solved. Okay, so please try this question and solve it. Send me the answer through the comments. Okay, I will solve this question in my next video. Okay, so till then, take care, stay safe. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.